Hello, I'm Amiros. We'd like to show the configurations of NFPA 704. According to the US-based National Fire Protection Association, NFPA 704 is a standard system for the identification of the hazards of materials for emergency response. First tentatively adopted as a guide back in the 60s, and revised several times since then, it defines the colloquial safety square or fire diamond, used by emergency personnel to quickly and easily identify the risks posed by hazardous materials. This helps you to find special equipment should be used, procedures followed, or precautions taken during the initial stages of an emergency response. You know what? These diamonds lets you indicate the risk depending on its color. Blue lets you depend on its health. Red depends on the flammability. And yellow, for the instability reactivity. Each risk number ranges from 0 to 4. 0 is the safest ones we can use, that doesn't even pose a lot of hazards. This is a minimum value. 1 is the least hazard level. 2 is the moderate hazard level. 3 is the high hazard level. And 4 is the extreme hazard level, a maximum value, could be very dangerous. Now for this diamond of white color, depends on special notice, and non-standard symbols. Special notice contains 3 symbols, such as oxidizer, water, and simple asphyxiant gas. Non-standard symbols on the other hand, include 6 types, such as corrosive, acid or alkaline, biological hazard, poisonous, radioactive, and cryogenic. So these are a total of 9 symbols on white diamond. There will be 1125 possible configurations on NFPA 704. For example, let's suppose ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH, its health risk 0, high flammability 3, and reactivity 0. And its symbol on white diamond can represent corrosive and/or flammability. You can check out this source at www.nfpa.org, and you may learn about the instructions and safety measures taken. Never touch the substance with bare hands, that would be corrosive. Avoid irritation of exposure causing injury or death. And be very careful from detonation or explosive decomposition at various temperatures and pressures. So you now know how the concept of NFPA 704 works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.